Now next one is the polymer synthesis. So we have to prepare pyrrole, puran, thiophene from this method. So for example, I will take the 1 comma 4 1 comma 4 dicarbonyl compound. I am taken here that 1 comma 4 dicarbonyl compound succinaldehyde. This is a succinaldehyde. C double bond O, C double bond O. This is the H. This name is a succinaldehyde. What is that name? Succinaldehyde. So now it can be, this is the enol form, ene form. Next one is the enol form is formation. That is like the, I'm write the one hydrogen separately here. This one hydrogen, and here is also one hydrogen I'm writing separately. Okay, when these electrons shift into this oxygen side, these electrons shift into inside, and these electrons shift into this side, this electron inside. So their formation here, CH single bond, CH. Now here is a C double bond O. This is the C. Here formation of OH, oxygen negative, here from the H, OH formation. And here is also C double bond OH. That is C double bond OH. Remain hydrogen. Here is also hydrogen. This is a enol form. Enol form. So in that condition of enol form, when you heated with the ammonia, so when treated with the ammonia, or this enol form when react with the ammonia to formation of pyrrole. So what did we get here? When react with the ammonia, when heated with ammonia, we get the CH double bond, right here, CH double bond, CH. Now here is the, sorry, not double bond here, single bond. This is single bond. Now double bond, here is a double bond, C, H, H. Here is a N, H. This is the pyrrole. This is pyrrole. When heat with the ammonia, when succinaldehyde react with the ammonia to formation of pyrrole. This name is the pyrrole. Right, now this is a succinaldehyde. What is that? Succinaldehyde. Succinaldehyde. Now the succinaldehyde, first it is converted to the enol form. After that it heated with the ammonia. Now when react with the ammonia, here look at 2 moles of H2 is removed there. Right, here is 2 oxygen now. Right, there is removal of 2 water molecules. And next one, we getting final component pyrrole. Now in next one, when it is react with phosphorus, here phosphorus means here is a dehydration. Dehydration means here removal of water molecule from that one. Now see here, when you take phosphorus pentoxide, when heated with the phosphorus pentoxide on, when succinaldehyde treated with the phosphorus pentoxide, there dehydration going there. So their loss of water molecule, Now here formation of, what it is formation? CH single bond, CH double bond, CH, and next one, here is the O, here is a double bond, CH. So this is the furan. This name is the furan. So it is, this is a furan structure. Right. Next one, when it is to treated with the when it is heated with phosphorus pentasulfide, so we get the what is that name? Thiophene. We get the thiophene, right? Now see here, this is a 1 comma 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 comma 4 dicarbonyl compound. This when 1 comma 4 dicarbonyl compound when treated with the ammonia, its formation of pyrrole, and when it is dehydration with the phosphorus pentoxide to formation of furan. When it is treated with the phosphorus pentasulfide on heating with and also heating uh, phosphorus pentasulfide to formation of thiophene. This is the polymer synthesis. Okay, right. Next one, pyrrole chemical properties. That first one is the nitration. So when pyrrole, this is a pyrrole, when treated with the nitric acid HNO3, treated with the nitric acid in the presence of acetic anhydride, in the presence of acetic anhydride at minus 10 degrees Celsius, at minus 10 degrees Celsius to form 2-nitropyrrole, 2-nitro 2-nitropyrrole. So we get the 2-nitropyrrole. This is the nitration. So next one is the sulfonation, second one. Right now, when pyrrole treated with sulfur trioxide in the presence of pyridine, in the presence of pyridine at 100 degrees Celsius, at 100 degrees Celsius, we get pyrrole 2-sulfonic acid. What is that? Pyrrole 2-sulfonic acid. We get pyrrole 2-sulfonic acid. Okay. So the nitration and sulfonation, that the nitrogen and sulfonation both are the electrophilic substitution reactions. The nitro group substitute at the place of second position. Already it is discussed that in the heterocyclic compounds of the pyrrole, furan, thiophene, here is the electrophilic substitution reaction possible at the place of second position. If maybe the second position already it is filled, it's again then it is going to the third position or fourth position. So here first of all, now here is the electrophilic substitution of that nitration. That nitro group substitute at the place of second position, we getting 2-nitropyrrole. When it is treated with the sulfur trioxide, we get in 2-pyrrole 2-sulfonic acid. Okay, clear? Next one is a halogenation of the pyrrole. Look at here. This is a pyrrole. So pyrrole, when it is react with the sulfuryl chloride, this is a sulfuryl chloride. When it is react with the sulfuryl chloride, in the presence of ether at 0 degrees Celsius, at 0 degrees Celsius, pyrrole react with the sulfuryl chloride in the presence of ether. So when it is react with the sulfuryl chloride, Now here that pyrrole form the pyrrole is formed 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 tetrachloro 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 tetrachloro pyrrole ని ఏర్పరచును. Pyrrole, it form the tetrachloropyrrole to form tetrachloropyrrole. Look at now, maybe it is react with the bromine, the pyrrole react with the bromine, right? Now bromine pyrrole react with the bromine. For example, you have take 2 moles, okay? In the presence of ethanol, that alcohol, same at 0 degree Celsius, at 0 degree Celsius, it is also to form the 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 tetra bromo pyrrole. What will we get here? Tetra bromo pyrrole will be get. This is the halogenation of pyrrole. So next one is I will take the reaction with the iodine. So look at here. Now pyrrole, when it is react with the iodine in the presence of sodium hydroxide, that is the base. Now it is also to form that pyrrole is converted to 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. What is that? 2 comma 4 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 tetraiodo 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 tetraiodo pyrrole. So we get here tetraiodo-pyrrole. So this is the halogenation of the which one? Pyrrole. This is the first one, second one, third one. Okay, I think you understand, right? Okay. Next one, chemical properties of furan. So before in the class, chemical properties of pyrrole is completed. Now in this class, furan chemical properties. First one, nitration. So when furan react with nitric acid, this is the nitric acid, in the presence of acetic anhydride, what is that? In the presence of acetic
Acetic.
anhydride to form 2-nitrofuran. 2-nitrofuran. So this is the nitration. So nitration means we have adding of nitro group with the pyrrole. So first of all, when it is reactive with the nitric acid in the presence of acetic anhydride, we get the 2-nitrofuran. Now that is a nitration. Next one, sulfonation. Right, sulfonation. When furan react with sulfur trioxide, same sulfur trioxide in the presence of pyridine to form furan 2-sulfonic acid. Furan 2-sulfuric acid. Sulfonic not sulfuric, sulfonic acid. So when the furan reactive with sulfur trioxide in the presence of pyridine to formation of furan 2-sulfonic acid. So this is the nitration and sulfonation. Next one, halogenation. So halogenation means adding of halogens. Right now here furan. When furan react with the chlorine at minus 40 degrees Celsius, minus 40 Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius, it is from the two components. One component is the 2-chloro, this is a 2-chlorofuran, 2-chlorofuran, and second one it's give the 2 comma, this is the 2 3 4 5, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 5 dichlorofuran, 2 comma 5 dichlorofuran. Next one, when furan react with bromine at minus or at 0 degrees Celsius in the presence of dioxane to form 2-bromofuran, 2-bromofuran. So when it is react with the chlorine to formation of 2-chlorofuran and 2 comma 5 dichlorofuran. When it is react with the bromine at 0 degrees Celsius in the presence of dioxane to formation of 2-bromofuran. Okay, clear? Write down.